Yeah. I don't got my hat on, but yeah.
All right. Hunt him up. Good shot. All right.
Oh my God.
Good shot, Worm.
Thank you.
He redeemed himself. Get a standing O for that.
Thank you.
Come here, bud. Come. Come. Come here. Give. You got him. You got him. Good boy. Good boy. You got him, Airworm. I was going to pull the trigger, but when you whacked him the first time, I'm like, he ain't going nowhere. Look out.
Put that on the fish. Yeah,
Yeah.
the whole fucking bird just hanging up.
Good shooting.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank God.
Yeah. Come here. Come here, Cody. Come. All right, we got 1, 2 more to go. Last 3, boys and girls. Cody, hunt them up.
Yeah.
Come. Not so far, buddy. Come on. Not so far. He's anxious. He knows they're out here. Try to keep up with him. Cody, here. Here. Come. Come. Cody, come. Cody. There you go. Not so far. We'll get him. He's landing. Cody, come. He's in that next field over.
There's feathers, I see them.
Yeah. We'll get him. Come, Cody. Good boy. Good boy. We'll get him in the next field. Hunt him up, buddy. Boy, none of us really have our shooting hats on today.
No, not really.
Man, we're just not doing good. I was hoping he wouldn't trap that bird. Cody, come over here. I was hoping he'd flush it. Here. Over here, Cody. Cody, come. 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 There he is. He trapped it. I'm going to release it. Come here. Cody. Cody, come here. He'll get it. It ain't going far. Come. Here. Give. Well, what do you want to do?
I almost want to say we got it, so I'd like to keep it.
Okay. You trapped it, you got it, you went after it. Good boy. Well, that last one is in the next field over.
Right, that should be at the end there.
Yeah. There's a chucker. A dead one.
Yeah, that's very dead.
Good boy. We got one more bird. We might as well just walk down in this next field.
Yeah, I agree.
We're gonna come down and walk down this next field.
And then somebody can shoot it. Maybe the Lord.
Come here.
There's a chucker. Put it in your pocket. No, he did. Good for a while.
Come here. Good boy. You're doing your job, but you're just a little wild today. It's all right. Cody, come. Come here. Sit. Good boy. One more bird. That bird should be just a little bit right in front of us. I saw exactly where it landed. And Mike's right. We hit that bird because feathers were flying. Okay. So, ready? Hunt him up. In here, buddy. We saw that bird land. Let's go get it. Come on, bub. In here. That bird's right up here, pal. There you go. That bird's right up here, buddy. Come on. Oh, pee break. All right. You guys move up. That bird could be running or could be dead. I don't know. In here, Cody. Here. There you go. He's in here. Cody, this way. There you go. He's in here somewhere, pal. Come on. Over here.
It's right in front of me.
Oh, okay. Good boy, Cody. Come. That's my boy. Come here. Good boy. You got him.
I don't think we can find it.
No. Good boy. Good boy.
Somebody hit him.
Yeah, well, yeah, feathers flew. I saw him. Good boy. No, you got him. You got him. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. I want to throw them in my bag. We'll walk the triangle back up. Just
Yeah, we gotta go back.
yeah. Good boy. Good boy.